how to fix mouse disappear and mouse cursor not working problem on your PC. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to fix this problem, you can just simply tap onto Fn plus F3, Fn plus F9 and F9 Fn plus, like, wait, let me fix it, F11. Just simply tap on Fn plus F11 simply, and then you're good to go. So this is it, and if your problem is still not solved yet, then simply search for device manager, open device manager and search for the mouse cursor option. Over here you can see this, just open it up, then right click on it, then simply tap on to update driver, and then you're good to go. Your problem should be most probably fixed. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.